first thing we need for our jalapeno popper sausages is our pork. What I have here is a bone-in pork shoulder. Picked it up at the local market. It's normally $2.99 a pound. They had it marked down to 99 cents a pound. And then I'll manage a special for 79 cents a pound. So this is 9.5 pounds of meat. If you ever get this with the bone already cut out of it, you're gonna be looking about $4 a pound. We can get this cut into strips in about 2 minutes, save the money, and just buy it with the bone in. And once we near that bone, we'll just cut around it. Okay, so of that 9.5 pound pork butt, we lost about a pound from that bone. Now we just need to finish cubing this up real fast and we'll get it in the freezer. So to the pork, I'm gonna go ahead and add about 2 pounds of brisket trimmings. So I'll get this popped into the freezer and I'll bring you back for the grind. All right, it's time to get our pork ground up. 1 second, I think I got something that might work a bit better than this. There we go. All right, let's give this one a shot, see how this one does. Our seasoning mixture consists of 90 grams of salt, 13.5 grams of curing salt, 22.5 grams of black pepper, 22.5 grams of granulated garlic, 9 grams of chili flakes, 155 grams of milk powder, 22.5 grams of mustard powder, 18 grams of smoked paprika, and 9 grams of cayenne. Then occasionally I'm just going to throw a jalapeno through the grinder. Okay, then for our second grind, I'm going to add about 7 strips of freshly cooked bacon. Go ahead and just throw all this up in the hopper. Okay, then put it all back through. All right, now that our meat is ground up, I went ahead and fried up a little bit extra bacon just to put in there so it's not so ground up for better texture. Okay, then you might notice I didn't put a binder in. For a binder, I'm actually going to use 1 block of cream cheese. Okay, go ahead and get that all mixed together. Halfway through mixing this, I realized I forgot something, the cheese. So this is the Sausage Maker high temp cheddar cheese. Add a cup, maybe a little bit more, 1.5 cups maybe. And now we mix. All right, you'll know everything's mixed together whenever it is tacky, sticks to itself and to your gloves. You don't see any more cream cheese veins, and the cheese and the jalapeno and everything is evenly distributed. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit in the fridge for about an hour, hour and a half to let it get cooled off, and I'll bring you back for the stuffing. All right, it's been an hour and a half. Let's go ahead and get our jalapeno popper sausage mixture into the copper, punch it down occasionally. I'm not going to bore you with the 15 minutes of stuffing sausages here. Just rinse the casings on the inside, put it on the filler tube, tie it off, fill until the casing is almost full, and tie off the other end, and repeat until all of your meat mixture is cased. One more quick example. All right, let's go ahead and get these sausages length. Same thing here, you don't need to spend 15 minutes watching me twist my wieners. Just pinch a bit where you want to twist to move the stuffing out of the area and give it 3 twists. The next twist, do in the opposite direction. Once finished stuffing, place the sausages on a drying rack and a sheet pan, then place in the fridge overnight to dry out the casings. Next morning, it's time to start our cook. We're going to keep a low temperature, about 140 to 150. All right, while our fire is getting up to temperature, we're going to go ahead and cut our wing. Okay, once our pit's up to temp, we'll get those taken outside. And to monitor the temperatures today, I'm just going to cut the bottom off an onion and stick our meter probe to the line into the onion. I'll put that on the grill with the sausage. All right, we're sitting about 150, which is perfect. Temperature probe. Just cooking off some breakfast sausages while I have the pit going. All right, we'll keep the pit about 150 for the entire cook. Should be about 4 hours. All right, came out here to put another log on real fast. May as well go ahead and flip our wieners over while we got the active fire inside the box. Let's drop it off and go ahead and clean all this. Go ahead and let these continue going for about another 2 hours. Okay, so we're going to dump half of our ice. There. All right, so getting our sausages in the ice bath is going to allow them to stop cooking immediately. Then also we'll firm up the casing a little bit more for us. And once after about And after about 25 minutes, we'll pull them out of the ice bath. And this is where I will vac seal the vast majority of these and just leave out a few that I'll be eating over the next few days. I'll bring you back for a taste test. All right, let's go ahead and give these jalapeno popper sausages a try. Look at that. Cheese and jalapeno all spread throughout. Let's see if you can see that, how juicy that is. That is a damn good sausage right there. Definitely, if you're gonna make sausages, give this a shot. I just can't stop eating these. What do you think? Isn't that good for you? Well, she enjoyed it. So if you want to see more videos, go ahead and give this video a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe.